Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you get internet connection but cannot browse Google Play Store. As you can see, I have to sign in, but I can't, and use your Google Chrome as well. So in order to fix that, we'll need to go to our settings, scroll down, find additional settings, date and time, and from here just enable set automatically, like this. Now if we go back to our Google Play Store, we should be able to sign in normally. And the same is with our Google Chrome. If I reload the page, it should work properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.